You look at me now with those hollow-eyed sockets and smile, and it seems all a lie what they've told me so far. And you show me the light isn't all about extending your time. No, it's a perfect time for a bottle of wine. And why do I still care about all mine? Recall me, for everything dies, so does memory. And why am I still surprised about all prey? There seems a way I'm there to apart all this grand ballet.